each time you kill someone, you get another bullet.
You can searching for a player, right?
Oh, I'm playing online. Like people everywhere. All over the world.
Why you to go play in Rome and leave my town TV alone?
Because y'all guys are going to the casino.
It's a good excuse, Armando.
Because your mama don't want to go, so just stay here with you.
Mom wants me to play though. She likes to watch
Hey,
me.
visit the league. You coming or not? Yeah, how much you got? You got something for me too?
Hold on.
I think Carlos has that 20, he make 40 for him, 20 for me, that would play. Have 50-50, what?
Huh?
50-50.
You put 20, I put 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll play with the 20.
And you
make
play,
40.
you play?
You make 40.